Okay.
Ankara, sir.
Ankara, sir.
Ankara. Ankara is the capital of Ottoman Empire. Okay. See, how many members were there at Frankfurt Assembly?
831, sir. 831.
31.
831, sir.
What has happened to my photo itself? Huh? Where is my photo here? I'm not able to see me. Okay, wait. Okay. You can see, hear me now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Something again has happened. I am not able to see me. Okay. Yeah. No.
Double click, sir.
Pardon? Yes. Come on. So, what we were speaking, 831 representatives were elected to Frankfurt Assembly. When was the Act of Union of Britain took place? When did it take place?
1707.
In the year, I want the year.
1707.
1707. Which are the countries or areas in United Kingdom?
Scotland, sir.
Scotland.
Ireland. Ireland.
Scotland, Ireland, England, and
England.
Wales. Okay.
Wales, yeah.
Scotland, Ireland, England, and Wales. All the four together are called Great Britain, United Kingdom of Great Britain. What is the name of the flag of Britain?
Union Jack, sir. Union Jack.
Union Jack.
Union Jack.
Yes. When did Ireland join with the United Kingdom?
1801.
In
1801, sir.
1801. Was it a willing effort or was it a forcible effort? It is by force. Britain attacked and forcibly made Ireland to join with Britain. Which religious communities are more in Ireland? There is a division in Christianity. Which Christian section or division is there in Ireland? More in
Catholic, sir.
Catholic, sir.
Catholics. Yes. There are two groups mainly, Catholics and Protestants. In that, Catholics are more in Ireland and Protestants are more in England. Okay, in England, present that is the Great Britain's England part. They are known as church. So there are more Protestants in England, more Catholics in Ireland. Okay. So what is the national anthem starting?
God save our noble.
Yes.
Number three, sir.
Yes. Industrialization in the world is said to have started in which country?
England, sir.
England.
Sir. British.
In England. What is feudal system?
Giving farmers will give this
Huh?
part of their
Taxes.
One. Who was speaking? Second, who started? Speak. First, Abhiram sound I'm hearing more time. That's why I'm asking. The person who started second. You continue. What is feudalism?
Paying taxes on land, sir, by small farmers to landlords.
Landlords. Any other explanation?
king will give land to nobles, sir, and nobles will give protection.
Okay. Then, any others?
Sir, farmers giving that part of crop to king or noble, sir.
That is the tax payment.
Sir, poor people will work for these rich people.
So all your points should be incorporated together. Very good. Ideas, you have got one idea. Okay. So all of these points will come in the feudalism. It's a socio-economic system in Europe where a person having a village or area under his control and the villagers work under him and obey his orders and pay taxes to him. The village, the land and property of that village or that area belongs to the landlord. The members of the society are not permitted to go out of that area without the permission of the feudal lord. Restrictions are made. So that is the feudal system. Pardon? This feudal system was abolished by Napoleon. If a trader, during the feudal system, if a trader wants to sell a material out of, London, he had to get the permission of the feudal lord of London. Napoleon has told no, that is abolished. All the citizens are free to go out anywhere, work anywhere, sell any product anywhere. So that is the achievement of Napoleon. That was a demand of the revolutionaries in France, because they were restricted. The middle class people who were entrepreneurs, who wanted to go out in the world and do something, they were restricted in their own areas. They told, we want to get out. So that was the change that took place in Europe. That is the end of feudalism. And if one person has to get out, there was an option in the feudalism, but the payment was very high. Each person has to pay a very huge amount to the feudal lord and purchase his freedom. It is not purchasing the freedom. Pay money and purchase his freedom. Then he can go anywhere. No restrictions will be. So for getting that freedom, he has to pay a lot of money. So that payment system was abolished by Napoleon. That is important point in Napoleonic Code. Feudalism and privileges. He told the upper class members will not become the officials of the government, and it is not compulsory that everybody should pay tax to them. They have got anywhere they go, they will get facilities. Nothing of everything was abolished by Napoleon. That is a Napoleonic Code. When did the First World War start? 1914 to 1980. Okay. So First World War was fought between
Axis and allies.
Alliance and Axis and Central.
Axis and central power, sir.
Central power and Axis power.
Central powers and Axis powers. None
No, sir,
of
Central
you
and
have
Allies, sir.
given me correct answer.
Central power and Allied power, sir.
Yes, Central powers and Allied powers. Can anybody tell me the leader of the Allied power?
US.
US did not join in the beginning.
Britain, sir, Britain.
Yes, Britain. And the war started with which countries?
Germany.
Germany against
France.
First World War. We are not going to Second World War. We are discussing about the First World War. Russia against
Russia against Germany.
Russia against Germany. Okay. But there was another important figure in between.
France.
Austria.
Russia left the war, sir.
Austria.
Austria.
Austria-Hungarian Empire was there. That was a prominent power during that time. This Austria-Hungarian Empire was the main figure in the First World War. When Austria was threatened by Russia, and then Germany supported Austria. So who are the main figures in the Central Powers?
Germany and Austria.
Germany, Austria. One more was there.
Ottoman Empire.
Ottoman Empire. These three were the main powers in the central team. Other team.
Britain.
Russia, Britain, France, even Italy.
Romania.
Italy also was with allied powers in the First World War. Okay? Don't get confused. Italy was with allied powers in the First World War. Italy was against Germany in the First World War. Okay, so they were the Russia, UK, France, Italy, then
France.
America. Last America came into the war in 1916. Till that America also did not interfere. They were the figures. Other comes in the Second World War. Second World War, as we told that we are not going to discuss Axis powers and allied powers. That we are not going to discuss about this one. Okay. Then see, in Prussia there were military officials and big landlords. What were the name given to them? You are turning the textbooks. Find out fast.
Aristocrats.
No.
Junkers, sir.
Very good, Bhavana. They are called Jungers. They are called Jungers. Okay. So they are the. Can you tell me? La Talia or Italia was considered as what by the people of Italy?
For Victor Emmanuel.
They considered La Talia or Italia as a wife of King Victor Emmanuel. When did Italy defeat Austria? Come on.
47.
Sorry.
59.
1859. 1859. What is the symbolic meaning of crown of oak leaves? If a crown is kept, that crown is of oak leaves. It is a
Heroism, sir.
symbolic representation of heroism. Okay. So the First World War. Who won the First World War? Axis powers or Allied powers? Central powers or Allied powers?
Allied powers, sir.
Allied powers. Okay. This okay. Good questions you are able to answer, I think. Some of you, I don't know how many of you must study now. Okay. Then this Habsburg Habsburg dynasty was in which country?
Austria,
Austria, sir.
Austrian, it is known as Habsburg.
Hungary.
Austria-Hungarian, it is known as Austria-Hungarian Empire. At present, is there like that empire?
No, sir.
Is there Hungary, a country named Hungary?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the capital of Austria?
Vienna.
Pardon?
Vienna.
Vienna. Vienna Conference took place in the year
1815.
1815. Okay. Who was the main architect of Vienna Conference?
Duke Metternich, sir.
Duke Metternich.
Austrian champion.
Yes. How many principalities were there in the German Confederation?
39.
39, 38. sir.
39. No, 39, 38. It should be exact. Because that is given in the test too. It
39,
is
sir.
39.
39 constitution, sir.
In the question paper they will ask you. So 39, 28, different number they will. If you don't give 39, you will lose. You cannot say it may be. That is when I ask question, some of you write, sir, it may be 39 or 38. That is not possible in the board examinations. Okay. What do you understand by Lashmi? Are you present? Can you tell me what is suffrage? Any others? Can you tell me what is those who are speaking regularly? Abhiram and Abhinam. Keep quiet. Yes.
Right to vote, sir.
Wait.
Sir, right to. Right to vote.
I want to tell you, please keep quiet. Let others speak. But you have spoken. Okay. Right to vote. Yes. Who is the lady who wrote the Constitution or rights of woman and the French after French Revolution? Last year we have studied.
Marshall.
What is her name?
Marshall, sir.
Olympe de Gomez.
Sir.
Olympe de Gomez. She is the person who has written that. Okay. Yes. Very good. Some of you, I am happy that many of you have studied it. Okay. Then little more, some more questions I am finding out. Utopian idea we have discussed. Jacobin. Where did Jacobin clubs exist?
France, sir.
France, sir.
Yes. What was the main activity of Jacobin club?
Wasting time.
Abolish slavery, sir.
Abolish slavery and
Group.
and bring what? Democratic governments in Europe. That was the intention of a Jacobean club. Okay. Who were the? Can you tell me two group of persons who were there in the middle class?
Liberals and doctors. Clerks and lawyers and businessmen.
Yes, business people and educated group of people. Okay. Now tell me, what do you understand by liberalism?
Sir, freedom. From despotism, sir.
Wow. Who was more concerned about liberalism?
Middle class. Middle class.
What is the middle class? Just give me an explanation correctly.
The working class people, so working class, middle class people. Sir.
Okay.
Only in the European society, sir.
What do you understand What do you understand by liberalism for economic group? What is economic liberalism?
Sir,
Free of market.
abolition of the restriction imposed by state duties, like duties,
Oh,
free to markets.
correct. That's economic liberalism. So the people who were business group, for them liberalism is abolition of all trade barriers and having uniform weights and measurements and freedom to move any part of any countries to sell the materials produced by. That is economic liberalism. Okay, then what is political liberalism?
Sir, government by consent, sir. Consent, government.
Consent. So political liberalism means the citizens should have a share in the running of the government. That is a political liberalism. Consensus government should be formed. Every citizen should have a voice in the running and formation of the government. That is political liberalism. And this middle class, how were the middle class more linked each other? How did they go more interacted and interrelated? Two methods were there for the more interrelationship. The middle class.
Because most of them
Ah,
are from third state.
okay,
Yes.
that is it. But they were more interrelated by two activities. One is
Education. Liberalism, sir.
liberalism
Used to
has
treat
made
the
them to be
countryside
more.
and,
One is marriage, other one is business relationship. You know, nowadays also in modern bid also, Mukesh Ambani's daughter got married to another high level business fellow, no? You may be
Yes,
knowing
sir.
it, no? Do you remember? 2 years ago, marriage was there. So they relate each other. So the relation, their maintenance, my marriage relationship also, business relationship also. So what happened? They will have a more hold on all the activities. Okay, so middle class is more interrelated or closely linked by marriages and business relationships. This kind of questions can come. It questions we cannot predict. It will be so much deep and complicated. Okay.
Sir, by marriages, aristocracy were tied, sir.
Pardon?
By marriages, aristocracy were linked, sir.
Aristocracy, that's aristocracy is a middle class, upper middle class. Okay. The new generation aristocracy. Understand? When the liberalization has happened, new generation middle class has come up. They were also getting like that link. That is the main point. Okay, aristocracy also, this is the main nowadays business middle class, new middle class, emerging middle class. Okay, then who was the king of Prussia during the Frankfurt Parliament?
Kaiser William.
Frederick Wilhelm. Frederick Wilhelm was the king of Prussia when the crown was offered to him. Who was the king of Germany in 1871? Who was crowned in?
Kaiser William.
It was Kaiser William in Versailles. Can anybody tell me the date?
1871, sir.
1871. The date also is mentioned in the textbook.
In January, sir.
In January 18th. January 18th, 1871. William Kaiser was declared as the Emperor of Unified Germany. In the Mirror of Halls, it was the action has taken place. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that is there. Now please be serious, study very well. Okay, your examination is on
Fourth.
fourth, sixth, no?
Social science is on 6, sir.
Sixth, history is sixth. Okay, our paper is on sixth. I have put 2 questions of assertion and reason. Simple ones I have put. Okay, very simple.
Okay.
2 questions, because that also will come in the board exam. That's why I just given 1 exam. 2 simple, very simple questions I put. I don't want anybody should lose that mark. It's simple. That is what are from civics also, not from history. Assertion and reason. Civics, assertion, reason, some questions I put. It took a lot of time for me.